Hello everyone, my name is Luis Fernando Mesa Torres, and today I'm going to talk you about biotechnology in Germany and why it's considered one of the best places in the world to study, research, and work in biotechnology. So, first of all, as we know, biotechnology is the use of living organisms, cells, or biological systems to create new products that improve human life. For example, it's applied to medicine, agriculture, food production, industry, etc. So, Germany is one of the global leaders in this field because it combines excellent universities, advanced researchers, innovative companies, and strong government support. So, as we know, Germany is located in the center of Europe and has one of the stronger economies in the world. So, this economy stretch allows the country to invest in heavily in science education and innovation because of the German has become a strategic center for biotechnology in Europe. So now let's begin with the academic research areas. Germany had many top universities that offers biotechnology as a program. Some of the most recognized are the Technical University of Munich, Heidelberg University, the RWTA Aachen University, University of Stuttgart, and if I don't remember good, University of Frankfurt. So most of these universities in Germany are public institutions, which means tuition to many other countries, while maintaining a very high academic level. So each university has its own specialization in biotechnology. For example, the Technical University of Munich is known for industry biotechnology, the, the synthetic biology, and the bioengineering. And for example, Heidelberg University is internationally recognized for medical biotechnology in genetics and cancer research. And for example, the RWTH can focus on bioprocess engineer and pharmaceutical biotechnology. Then we have like the Strungard in a strong, it's a strong environmental biotechnology, while Frunga he is known for molecular biology and sustainable biotechnology. So now let's talk about the graduate programs. German offers opportunity at all academic levels. A student can study bachelor's degree in biotechnology, molecular biotechnology, or bioengineer. At the graduate level, there are many master's programs in industry biotechnology, biomedical biotechnology, and bioprocess engineer. And Germany is also famous for its PhD programs with a strong laboratory training and refuse funding. Another advance is that many master's and doctoral programs are talking in English, so these are like attracting to international students from around the world. So thousands of the students graduate each year in biotechnology related fields in German. These credits are highly in value because German education emphasizes both theory and practical experiences. Students usually gain laboratory skills such as critical thinking, data analysis ability, and teamwork experience. So now let's talk about the greatest and famous scientists from this country. Uh, Germany has also produced many scientific. One of the most famous examples is Emmanuel Charpentier, who carried out important work in Germany and co-developed the Krebs gene editing. And then we have Gerald Surhausen. He discovered the relationship between HPV and cervical cancer, and Robert Hoover, who won a Nobel Prize in chemistry. So the typical profile of a biotechnology graduate includes a strong background in biotechnology, chemistry, genetics and mathematics. They are usually trained in laboratory methods, problem solving, and innovation. So many also have international experience, strong English skills, which are essential in global science to interact with other scientists from different parts of the world. So German's university are not only focused on education but also on discovery. For example, Heidelberg, as I mentioned, discovered the major cancer immunity projects, and Munich has developed research in renewable enzymes and biofuels, or the RWTH University that works in fermentation systems and sustainable industrial products. So many universities in Germany collaborate directly with industries to discover and develop these these products to become real. So besides university, Germany has a lot of world famous research centers. One of them is the Max Planck Institute that are recognized for global fundamental scientific research. Then we have the Fraunhofer Society, focused on applied science and technology. And then the Health Mods Association works on health, energy, and environment. And another one is the Cancer Research Center, known as the DKFZ, which is one of the Europe's leaders in biotechnology. So now let's move to the industry and business area. Germany has a powerful biotechnology industry when many leaders companies. One of the most famous is the BioNTech headquarter Mainz. BioNTech become global recognized for develop one of the first mRNA vaccines from COVID-19 and partnerships with Pfizer. So this shows that Germans have the capacity to respond quickly to global changes. Another important company is Kiagen, which is specialized in molecular diagnostic and laboratory technologies. Their products are used worldwide in hospitals and research laboratories. Or the CureVac is another German company that focuses on RNA technologies and vaccines development. Uh, Bayer is another one of the most largest companies in Germany and works with pharmaceutical and agricultural biotechnology. So many of these companies offer internships, train programs, and research opportunities for university students. And this major advantage because students can connect academic learning with real industry experience. You know, a human experience working in a industry that focus on uh, biotechnology. So now let's talk about Germany from a national perspective. So the national government sees science and technology as essential for economic development and global biotechnology receive. Because of this, biotechnology receives significantly uh, public support. So the Federal Ministry of Education and Research funds many scientific programs and innovation programs. Germany also has a national biotechnology strategy, which promotes the use of renewable biological resources to create materials. So this means biotechnology is not only seen as a medical tool, but also as a solution for environmental change, such as the climate change, and resource scarcity. So government supports startups, university researchers, industrial innovations, and international scientific collaboration. So this is not like television helps Germany remain one of the most advanced countries in biotechnology. So, in conclusion, Germany is one of the best countries for biotechnology because it combines top universities, world-class research institutes, successful global companies, and government support. So it offers excellent opportunities to students, researchers, and professionals who want to contribute to medicine, agriculture, food production, sustainability, and industrial innovation. So thank you so much for your attention and